AFCU Visa Signature Card Review 2025 Worth it or leave it. Most people get this card wrong because they underestimate credit union benefits. The AFCU Visa Signature Card is designed for everyday use with competitive rewards and strong protections, making it a standout option for those who qualify. This card offers cash back on all purchases, plus bonus categories like travel and dining. There's no annual fee, and the APRA is competitive compared to mainstream Visa cards. You also get Visa Signature benefits, including purchase protection, travel insurance, concierge services, and extended warranty coverage. The card integrates with online and mobile banking, giving you easy account management and alerts. For those who want simple rewards with valuable protections, this card is an excellent choice. The downside? It requires membership in AFCU, so it isn't available to everyone. Also, it lacks high-end travel perks, which might matter for frequent travelers. Verdict: worth it for practical rewards and strong protections. Leave it if you want premium travel perks or are not eligible for membership.